Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today's video is about Germany. Germany has passed a new immigration law called the Skilled Immigration Act that benefits working professionals and international students. If you didn't already know this, there are plenty of job opportunities in Germany from many different job sectors, but there are a very limited number of people trying to grab these opportunities. On an average, Germany requires anywhere between 250,000 to 300,000 skilled workers every single year, and it relies on immigration quite a bit to fill in these job market vacancies. COVID-19 has only intensified the need for skilled workers, and as a result, Germany needed around 400,000 skilled workers this year in 2021 alone. Because of such a huge dependence on immigrants, Germany has now made a few changes to its immigration policies, like introducing the Skilled Immigration Act. And it's now easier than ever to move to Germany as a skilled worker because of immigration policies like these. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the new Skilled Immigration Act, who can take advantage of it, the job sectors in demand in Germany, roughly how much you'll get paid as a student and a full-time employee, how much money you can survive on per month in Germany, single and as a couple, a few portals to get a job offer from Germany from your home country, and all the general requirements that you'll need in Germany as a skilled worker or even as a student. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free, and I answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. Let's start with what the new Skilled Immigration Act actually is. The Skilled Immigration Act is basically a new law which expands the possibilities for qualified professionals such as yourself to come and work in Germany. It has made it possible for skilled workers with vocational, non-academic training from non-EU countries to migrate to Germany in order to work. International students can also benefit from this new law, as it makes it possible for them to change their residence status in Germany even before their study programs end. Let's now have a look at the changes for qualified professionals or skilled workers and what benefits they'll get by this new law. Earlier, companies hiring skilled workers were allowed to hire only German residents or those belonging to European Union or EU nations. This was mainly done to make sure that the local German or EU residents get priority for any open or vacant job positions in Germany. Now, however, it's much easier to enter the German labor market because of the new Skills Immigration Act. The qualified professional must possess an employment contract or a specific job offer and a qualification recognized in Germany if that's needed for your occupation. But the best part is that no priority check is undertaken by the Federal Employment Agency, which was otherwise always done before. This means that there are no checks as to whether an applicant from Germany or EU nations is available for a specific job, so that's the major change that's taken place in the Skilled Immigration Act. Now it doesn't matter wherever you are from in the world, Asia, Africa, UAE, USA, any company in Germany can hire you directly. The Federal Employment Agency will, however, still verify the employment conditions provided by German employers, such as the minimum salary requirements, proper job visa, fair employment contracts, and a few other things that can ensure that you're taken care of as an employee in Germany. So it's not like you'll be paid less just because you're an outsider or an immigrant. Everyone will be treated fairly in Germany's job market. Coming to which job portals you can use to secure a job in Germany from your home country. Job portals like LinkedIn, Xing, Monster, Indeed, and Stepstone are the most widely used ones here and have the maximum success rates to get your job in Germany even from your home country, so do have a look at them for your job search. The Skills Immigration Act also benefits students studying in Germany or those of you who are looking forward to studying in Germany at a future date. Earlier, let's say you complete your master's, MBA or even your bachelor's in Germany, And if you receive a full-time job offer after your study course, it wasn't easy to just convert your study permit into a work permit in Germany. Now, however, the new Skilled Immigration Act has improved possibilities for foreign students in Germany to change their residence status. Now, foreign students can switch to other types of residence permits even before they complete their studies. For example, rather than continuing their studies, they can begin vocational training and receive a residence permit to attend a vocational training course, which is basically an instructional program that prepares you for an occupation that requires a specialized skill. In effect, you can directly accept a full-time job offer and change your residence status that allows you to work in Germany full-time. This will be a huge relief for those studying in Germany who are under the financial burden of their study or travel loans or any other expenses. At the same time, universities in Germany, unlike other countries like Canada, encourage their students to accept full-time job offers if they get to do so. If you do have to leave your studies midway, you can do so as well and resume your courses from where you left them and complete them on a later date. However, it's always recommended to complete your study program and not postpone it, as this looks much better on your resume, and German employers will often let you work on a few reduced hours to compensate for the time you take to complete your study program anyway, especially if the study program is aligned with the work you're hired for. The government basically wants students to complete their study programs as soon as they can in order to start working as soon as they can, which is why they have introduced the Skilled Immigration Act in the first place. The main sectors that have huge job demand in Germany are the engineering, IT, tech, medical, nursing, and construction sectors. Now, is migrating to Germany actually worth it? If you're thinking about going to Germany on study programs, then it's really worth it. The public universities and education institutions in Germany don't charge any tuition fee, so you'll be studying completely for free, except the really low semester contribution, which comes to just around 100 to 290 euros, so that's a huge advantage. Secondly, the part-time jobs are really great in Germany, and you'll be paid really well, even as a student. The minimum wage is 9.5 euros per hour right now, and it will most likely be hiked to 10.45 euros per hour next year by July 1st, 2022. Some students in Germany are even earning up to 1200 euros per month, so you can comfortably live in that amount and even save a bit every month as well. Talking about working full-time, on an average, you can make at least 45,000 to 60,000 euros per year. For a single person working full-time, you'll get at least 3,000 euros in hand every month after tax deductions and everything, so that's a great figure to start with. Even if you move as a couple, your expenses per month would be anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 euros. These amounts can be lesser or even a little more depending on the area you move to and a few other contributing factors. Munich, for example, is on the expensive side, but on an average, you'll still be saving around 1,000 euros per month. Keep in mind, this is only on a single salary. Your savings per month could be much higher if both spouses are working. So as you can see guys, Germany is a really great option to migrate to, especially right now when all the offices and businesses are getting back on their feet, and the new Skilled Immigration Act is a great opportunity that you must grab right now. You'll be earning well enough and saving a good enough amount right from the first month you move to Germany, so it's certainly worth considering. Alright guys, so that was all about the new Skilled Immigration Act for Germany. For more immigration and travel tips, subscribe to this channel now. Do like the video if you like the content and comment what topic you would like to hear about next. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for regular updates on immigration and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. I wish you the best of luck for your application and hope you have a great day.